Chicken stock. The marinated pork chops 1 day later. Hot pan with some extra virgin olive oil. Here we go. Pork chops go in. And we let them cook. Okay, we turn them over. Look at that, huh? That's gonna be good. Looking really, really good. At this point, we deglaze with a little bit of chicken stock. And then we bake these at a 375 until done. Chef here once again in one of the kitchens sharing a recipe with you. So I've got right here about a quart of chicken stock, and I'm adding about 1 cup of semolina, real fine corn, making some polenta. So what I like to do is just add the corn very gradually like this, and while I'm adding it, I'm giving it a mix like this, okay? We continue adding the corn. So then we're going to check this soft polenta. Oh yeah, that's good. I'm going to put a little bit of this black truffle oil, the real deal. A little bit of this truffle oil in here. It's a little bit of garlic, just finely sliced like this. That's what I'm looking for right there. Okay, we take the garlic and get it over to a hot saute. Olive oil. Garlic goes in. Multicolored carrots. We let them cook. Sea salt. Dash of white pepper, just a touch. Oh yeah, look at the sizzle. Those are going to be good. Okay, chef here, time for plating up. If you watch the other recipes, you follow along, and you're going to see how to make some of these items here. I've got soft polenta, goes right here on the plate. I prefer generous portion, just like this, looking good. Okay. Next thing I've got is these awesome center cut pork chops. I'm going to select the big juicy one right here, and I'm going to put it like this. Okay, along with a little bit of the natural juices. Yeah, if you watch the other recipe, then you'll see what I've got going with the pork chops there. Really, really nice. The polenta, of course, gets a little touch of Parmesan cheese on there, as well as a touch of parsley. Okay. And the last ingredient got here is the multicolored carrots. If you want to know more about these, just watch the other video and you can learn about these multicolored carrots. Wow, this is going to be amazing. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day. Oh yeah, that's gonna be one heck of a meal right there. Please leave a comment and share the video. Helps the channel, gets more subscribers, more people interested in cooking, and believe it or not, the chef is here to help you live longer, cook better, eat better. Have a beautiful day. This would be like a northern Italian delicacy right here. So we've got a marinated pork chop T-bone. We've got soft polenta. We've got multicolored carrots sauteed. There's some truffle oil, Parmesan cheese, parsley, herbs. A lot of ingredients, a lot of flavors going on here. Click that like button. Have a great day. This particular block has not been oiled in a while, so it's sucking it right up really quick. You can see that. It's penetrating. Yeah. That is the video. If you need the products, your sponsors got them right there. This will be dry within a few minutes or hours. I'll just let it sit overnight and it'll be totally dry by morning. Thanks for watching. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day. American made blended rock maple. American made dark walnut. Custom islands, all shapes and sizes.